Hey, good afternoon, More Medic One. Today we've got a cool little tool on the bench, and I'm going to go over. This is called the Country Cutter. It's kind of an off-topic review of a potato slicer. Here is the phone number right here. This gentleman is out of where was he out of, babe? Arkansas? We're gonna basically what this is. It's got a mandrel here that you put your potato or whatever, zucchini. We're going to do a carrot and a cucumber and an apple and a potato. We're going to get this thing sliced up. This spring, what you can do, you manually push this down so it unlocks from the forcing screw. And I'm gonna get my lovely assistant and gonna come and show you how this thing operates. We're gonna spiral cut a cucumber. Go ahead. Perfect. This is perfect for salads. What else could you put this on? You could actually just eat it and that is too cool. Now, slow down a little bit, and what is going to happen, well, you can go ahead and keep going. It's got a razor blade right here that is basically the thickness of, see, you're fixing to come to a stop here in just a second. Right there. Whoop, don't go past that. Because what happens is if you go past where the guy, when he sold it to me, if you go past the nut here, where it hits the wood, if you go past that or force it, you could actually get the cutter head into the blade, and you don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and slide this back a little bit. The way you slide it back is you push down on the spring and just slide it back, and then basically this is just a piece of all thread, and underneath it here, underneath this spring inside this block, is a big long nut that's been cut in half. So basically just the upward force keeps everything going. So let's go ahead and slide the end of the cucumber off. What do you want to do next? You want to try a tater?
Sure.
All right, now we're going to do a potato. This is what this is designed for. It makes thin, curly Q potatoes that you can either fry or you can bake. We're going to bake these. Here, let me get them out of the way as you do it. What you can do, you just sprinkle them with a little bit of Tony's or some Lowry's seasoned salt. Spritz them with some olive oil. Put them in the oven at 400 until they become crisp, and they're so good. And they don't have any. They don't have to. You know, you can fry them, but we're gonna bake these. And it stopped. So push down on your. There you go. Pull the rod all the way back, and then you can slide that piece of potato off. Awesome. I'm just gonna blast these with a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm gonna put a little Lowry seasoned salt on them. Don't put a whole lot at the beginning because you can still put it on some when you get done. But I like a little bit now. Just pop them in the oven until they get crisp. This is another signature thing that it's good for, or what they sell this for, is to make onion straws. Basically what you do is you just peel the onion and you cut off one end flat. And then you take the root ball, or the root end, and you put it in your mandrel here. Slide it forward. crying. Makes the perfect onions for hamburgers, salads, or you can put these in an egg wash and fry them like onion rings. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Whenever we went out there to the TREY festival, this guy had this thing set up and he was doing all the onions and the potatoes he could do. People were like, oh my gosh, I gotta have one. That's pretty cool. Got my purple onion crystallizing over here. Got my potatoes baking right here. Sprinkle you just a little bit more seasoning on there. They're nice and brown and crispy. To me, this is better than a soggy old French fry any day. Cut it up a little bit. Nice and crunchy. I'm gonna put a link in the description below where I got this. I'm gonna put his website right down here. Hit him up. Pretty cool gadget. Highly impressed. More Medic 1. Have a great day.